This movie is all about how we can capture and create authentic portraits. With that in mind, let's begin. Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Orwig, and in this week's episode, we are continuing our conversation about how we can capture more authentic and interesting portraits. And in each of these special episodes, I'm sharing with you a tip. Last week, I talked about how we need to clarify our vision and how important that is. Well, this week, I want to highlight a technique which is all about carrying less so that you can capture more. Now, this particular technique really revolves around this idea of photographic gear, and we all love cameras and lenses. And I am a Sony ambassador, so I have a lot of camera gear. And the trick is that sometimes we just bring too much gear, and that can get in the way of really connecting with our subjects. Sometimes we need to reduce and simplify as much as possible. Now, a lot of people will say, well, yeah, sure, you can reduce and simplify, but you can't really capture professional level results. Well, I'm here to say that you actually can. And what I want you to do is to think about cameras and photography and compare it to going camping. Now, you can go camping with a small little backpack or with a giant RV. Both of those types of camping are great, but sometimes if you reduce and simplify to a single camera and lens, you can capture photographs of celebrities like here. This is just a camera and lens with natural light. And the majority of my photographs, I'm going to say 95% of them, are simply captured with a single camera and a single lens. No assistance, no help, no excess of stuff. And all of these images and shooting this way has helped me to build a career. Now, this isn't just about me, but the proof is that, hey, if I've done this, you can do this as well. And so the point is that sometimes it's really helpful to reduce and simplify, carry one camera and carry one lens, and kind of think of it like that old songwriting adage which goes, 3 chords and the truth. That's really all you need. If you can play the guitar in 3 chords and you have a strong truth, a deep idea, you can create profound things. And so in photography, it's true as well. So just to reiterate, here we have our quick recap. We have clarifying our vision was last week, really important. Then once we've done that, to apply that vision, let's look at how we can carry less so that we can capture more. And if you aren't used to this type of photography, give it a try. I think you'll be surprised at how it will require you to be really creative. And then next, once we've talked about that, we're going to look at how we can work with light. And so that will be coming in next week's episode. So thanks so much for joining me in this week's episode. This one is just a big encouragement to try to carry less and capture more. I also wanted to give a shout out for my new book, which is called Authentic Portraits. You can find this one online or wherever great books are sold. So if you're interested in the topic of portraiture, you may want to dig into that. All right, well, have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye for now.